Daddy, can I eat the sushis?
But it's dangerous to go outside for eating right now.
Let me think of an idea. Oh yeah, we can't eat sushi, but we can draw it.
Yeah, good idea.
We can draw anything that we can't eat.
Later.
Wow, it's very cute, but it is not realistic for eating. I will draw the real for you.
First, draw the outline of the salmon sashimi. Don't forget to draw the lines on the salmon sashimi.
Before painting a larger area with oil pastel, you can draw a small section and try the color to see if you are satisfied.
The white lines on the salmon sashimi can be connected with white and gray.
Well, it looks pretty good.
Then use yellow, orange, and pink to try to paint the other parts of the salmon sashimi.
For the dark areas, I use dark red to paint so that the whole salmon sashimi meat looks crystal clear, fresh, and smooth. Do you think so too?
Now the color test is almost done, and then you can apply to a large area. How about this? The first piece of salmon sashimi is simple drawn. Isn't it easy?
If you feel that one slice of sashimi is not enough, let's have a few more slices.
At the place where the first piece of salmon sashimi is connected, you can use the dark red oil pastel to draw the relationship between the two pieces of sashimi. The color of the first piece of sashimi is used as a successful case of color matching, and then the painting is much simpler. The connections and transitions of different colors can be more nature. You can paint back and forth several times when painting. You need to be patient with the sections.
You need to be more patient when drawing the highlights, especially the light reflecting parts.
Use a white oil pastel to draw the highlights on the sashimi so that the sashimi meat will look very realistic.
Use white and yellow to draw more lines on the salmon sashimi so that the fish will look more realistic and tasty. I'm now feeling hungry when I'm painting it.
Me too. Next, the third piece of salmon sashimi is painted in the same way. Be patient, slowly paint over it bit by bit and spread the color as evenly as possible. By looking at these ultra-low calories, raw food, organic ingredients, fresh flavors, and beautiful colors. Sashimi sushi satisfied all our imaginations about food, especially in the lockdown city when we can't go out to eat.
When painting, you can leave the highlight part blank or use a white oil pastel to paint it. Next, you can draw a little wasabi on the top of the third salmon sashimi with a green oil pastel. Wasabi and the soy sauce are good match to sashimi sushi.
Once the salmon sashimi is drawn,
let's draw 2 more tuna sashimi for a change.
The texture of the tuna sashimi is drawn with orange,
red,
and dark red. And the bright part is expressed with a mixture of pink,
gray,
and white.
Now we have the sashimi and the wasabi ready.
How can we forget soy sauce?
So now we draw a small saucer for soy sauce.
You can paint the dark part of the white plate with gray and yellow,
orange colors,
and reflect the color of the sashimi hazily on the plate,
so that the plate has a texture all at once.
When the plate is finished,
draw the main parts on the inside.
The delicious soy sauce.
In order to make the soy sauce look more realistic with the surrounding,
you can use brown and blue purple tones.
Don't simply use a brown color to express the soy sauce.
Use a mixture of black,
brown,
orange,
and yellow to paint.
And use horizontal paint strokes to draw the wood line effect of the table. It's finally finished.
Isn't it delicious?
I really want to take a big bite.